I'm Angelo with Northwest Roof Maintenance. We're out here doing some anti-ponding. So what that is down here where you can see, kind of see where this opening is. We already have some installed, but without anti-ponding, the felt just runs to the top of the gutter. And what will happen is water will start to drain, and with what's called ponding will start to happen. The water will sit here, it'll saturate and then deteriorate the felt. And then you can already see where a little bit of water was starting to get in. You can kind of see where the water damage is starting to start. Nothing to be concerned about or to be replaced right now. But now, with our conveniently named anti-ponding, we'll install this metal where you can see right here where we already started. And I'm continuing around to wrap it around this corner. It'll prevent that ponding from happening and or eroding your wood and or metal.